Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 2. We are learning Unit 6. Its title is A Cultural Show in School. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of listening and speaking, we learn how to listen and respond to commands. Before this in English for grade 1, I have taught you how to identify commands. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And today we are going to learn further to articulate, recognize and use some formulaic expressions to listen and respond to more commands. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah An-Nur, verse 51. We hear and obey. Yes, my dear students, what this verse is telling us, the believers, the one who follows Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, they hear and they obey. They follow all the commands of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So beta, we should also, whatever Allah wants us to do, we should follow it. We should obey Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And we should obey our elders as well. Why? Because it is also Allah's command that obey your elders. Means, and who is included in that? Your parents, your teachers, your grandparents, whoever is elder than you in age and in status. Status mean, beta sometime we are of same age group, but one is given an authority. So we should also obey that person. Okay. So first you tell me what are commands. We have studied it in grade 1. So do you remember what are commands? Pause the video, answer this question to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you remember and you have answered correctly that commands are a type of sentences in which someone is being told to do something. So whenever someone is being told to do something like do this or do this, kindly open the door, kindly sit down. So these are commands, okay? And what I was telling you, for example, your teacher is not around and who is responsible in class? Class prefect or what you call it, monitor. So to obey commands of monitor is just like to obey commands of your teacher. All right. So we should understand it. And whenever we are being given commands, we should listen it nicely and we should follow it. Okay. So how do we follow commands? For example, your teacher is saying, open your book. Now we know teacher is elder. She has authority. So she is passing a command to us. So whenever we are being asked, we are being told to open our book, what should we do? We should respond it. How? Okay, ma'am. Okay, teacher. Yes, teacher. We are done with it. Ma'am, we have opened our notebooks. We have opened our books. This is how when you are being asked to do something, whenever someone passes command to you, you should respond it nicely. Okay. So let's see, what does your book say about it? There is a dialogue, you see, command and responses. Listen and respond to the following commands. Now, first you tell me there are two characters. One is elder brother and one is younger sister. Who can pass commands? Who can pass commands? Elder brother. Younger cannot command elders, but a younger always request. And how do we request? Please. And elders have authority. They can command youngers, right? So what elder brother is commanding to younger sister? Let's read it. Wait for me. Okay, now elder brother is saying, wait for me. What should younger sister say? Okay, brother. Right? This is how we respond to command. All right. The next example is, give me a glass of water. Okay. The elder brother is saying to younger sister. And what should she say? Yes, I'm bringing. It should be, how do you respond? It should be nice in words and nice in expressions, nice in your body language. When you respond, it should be a nice respond in all manners, because we know when we converse, our words, our style, our tone, our body language, everything matters, right? So we should be nice in all manners. Okay. All right. The next example is, turn off the tap. Okay. Now brother is saying, elder brother is saying, how should she respond? I'm doing it. Okay, brother, I'm doing it. Right? Say nicely, in nice tones, in nice style. Okay. The next is, wash your hands and face. I'm going to wash it. I'm going to wash it. Okay, brother, I'm going to wash it. All right. This is how nicely we should respond. And we should listen commands nicely, carefully, and we should obey and follow it nicely and respond it nicely. Do you understand the concept? Okay, so let's practice it through an activity. What the activity is all about? Teacher will make pairs of students, okay? And teacher will assign them characters, for example, a mother and a daughter, teacher and a student, father and a son, grandfather and grandson, whatever. Okay, now we know one is elder who can pass commands and the younger one will follow it. So students will do a role play in front of class to listen and respond to commands. So let's see who does it well. Okay, so pause the video, enjoy this beautiful activity. Every one of you will participate. Okay, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. All right, now it's time for your homework. You will write a command and response from your book page. This structure is given. You will write it on sticky note and paste it in your notebooks. And here, what we have learned today, we learned to articulate, recognize, and use some formalic expressions to listen and respond to more commands. So in this way, we achieved our SLO to articulate, recognize, and use some formalic expressions to listen and respond to more commands. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing. Take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.